Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Abhishek Tyagi from Whatfix. So I want to talk about digital transformation across banking and credit union is no longer optional, rather this is critical missions. Across your ecosystems, whether it is your core applications like Finacle or Temenos, or even your CRM like Salesforce, or your core banking platforms or loan origination system called nCino, there is an increasing gap between the investment and the adoption. So there is a consistent pressure of users navigating through different complex processes, pressure of compliance, and the expectations of providing the first digital experience. So, and in financial world, we cannot afford this risk. Every delay or every error in KYC, lending, or any missing steps in the compliance leads to the ROI delay. And every application goes through same journey. We talk about over here from planning to deployment to adoptions to progressions. And most of them get stuck at the adoption. This is where Whatfix come into play. Whatfix is AI native digital adoption platform that helps you derive the value out of your platforms. At the core is called ScreenSense, that allow you to understand what your users are doing inside the application. It can be SAP, can be Salesforce, core banking system, homegrown application, or any third-party application. And more importantly, it allows you to understand what users are trying to do inside the application itself. So Whatfix helps in bridging these gaps and increase the adoptions in 3 different ways. First, with our core platform called Whatfix Digital Adoption Platform that allows users to navigate through complex processes across loan origination systems, across your payment, KYC, or AML compliance right within the application itself. Second is product analytics that allows you to understand what your users are trying to do inside the application, and most importantly, lets you bridge those gaps at the core itself. And third is our mirror platform that allows you to provide the core sandbox environment where your users can be trained on the system upgrades or the compliance updates as well, risk-free. So what's in for you? What's the result? Is faster onboarding, lower risk compliance over there for the few of the errors in the workflows, and the higher adoption of the AI and the digital investments and the low support and training cost. So over here, you see my screen. So right now, I am in the nCino application as a loan officer. So the banner that you see, this is Whatfix. Over here, you can welcome the loan officer with the customized message, welcome to nCino. If you want them to go through different articles, videos as well, you can embed that right within the application itself. And let's say if I'll click on Let's Go, I will be navigated step by step throughout the process. Over here, you can embed any videos as well or in these steps along with the voice notes, any article that you want your users to go through and think that would be relevant to them. I just need to simply follow the step-by-step guidance as a GPS that is navigating me through the steps. At the end, I will get the feedback to submit it so that from the back end, your admins can see it. Over here, for me to be trained within the applications for my training, this is the task list. Once I click on this, this will expand. This is like your mini LMS system wherein all your classes can be embedded. Can be training documents, again, your workflows, videos as well. All users can be able to play over here itself within the system. And again, I can click on any of the process as well, and again, a walkthrough would be started. Now I would want to highlight something over here on the right-hand side. This is called Whatfix Self-Help. It is like a 24/7 repositories for your users to go through. Here, we integrate with your external repositories and bringing all the documents, learning documents, videos that is there in your system, and bring that within the application itself. So over here, user can go type in their query. How do I edit the loan application, for example? And once I'll submit this, the guidance agent would provide the summary for me, and all the relevant documents or even the workflows related to that would be popped up. So again, I can click on any of the process over here, and a same walkthrough has been started. So Whatfix also helps you in terms of making sure your user comply to all rules and regulations as well. They would not make any errors. So let's say if I'll click on new. So over here with platform, you can put different validations as well and make sure user feed the data in right format. And if they would not do so, platform would highlight that. For example, if I'll just click it, so over here, see, it says, please enter the valid 10-digit phone number. And over here, if I'll click on eye icon, with Whatfix, you can put additional information as well, what your user should be cognizant about. Similarly, even for the dropdown as well, you can put certain tips as well, anything that would be relevant for your user. Change management can also be addressed with Whatfix. So if I'll click on home screen, the banner that you initially saw during the onboarding, so this can be utilized as change management as well. So any system upgrades, any process updates, you can introduce to that to your users as well. And you will see over here, the platform that I was demoing on, this is not the core nCino system. This is actually our mirror environment that I was talking about, which is a sandbox environment. So you have seen how intuitive that is, that over here, user can be trained risk-free without being dependent upon the IT core sandbox environment as well. The last thing that I want to talk about is product analytics, the data you will be getting in order to understand how your users have dropped down across different funnels throughout your journey and how different cohorts have struggled in different processes as well. Over here with our Insights agent, you will be able to ask AI, hey, I need to understand the interpretation for my core business. What is there for me? What is there for my California loan officers? So anything can be derived throughout product analytics insight for you to deploy all the helps that I have spoken about, the workflows and everything. So I guess this is my time over here. For any additional information, if you are interested in more demos and anything, we would be there at booth 5. Thank you so much.